Welcome. If you wanna add event to calendar in your Huawei P30 Lite, let's open calendar for the first. Mine is here and it is the Huawei calendar, not Google. But of course, if you are using the other company application of calendar, it will look almost the same, so don't worry. Let's start from click on this marker. And right now, as you can see, we have to enter the title. And also we can set location, we can describe something, repeat every week, set a time zone, also the reminder. You can just set up whatever you want here. And let's name our event. Mine will be hard reset. And there's the day of the start, so it will be tomorrow. If you just set up everything, click on this marker in the right upper corner. And here you have your new event. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.